Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to you what is Apache Spark, and I'm gonna give you an overview about the main component of Apache Spark. Apache Spark is a fast general purpose cluster computing engine that is designed to process large data. So mainly it's a cluster computing engine, it's a general purpose, it's designed to be general purpose, and I will explain to you what I mean by general purpose when I give you an overview about the Apache Spark component. It's fast because Spark has the ability to process large data in memory. Let us have an overview about what is the main component of Apache Spark. Apache Spark consists of several components, the main component called Spark Core. And this is the underlying execution engine for Spark, and it provides in-memory computing capabilities. I'm not gonna go in details for each subcomponent because I will deep dive in each component in another video. On top of the Spark core, there are several libraries that are built in Spark. These libraries are Spark SQL, Spark Streaming, MLib or the machine learning library, and GraphX. Mainly the Spark SQL is designed to process structured data. The Spark Streaming is designed to process stream of data. If you have data that come to you live, you can process this data by using the Spark Streaming library. The third component is the MLib or the machine learning library. And in this library, Spark implemented several machine learning algorithms and they are ready for you to use. The last component is the GraphX, and when we speak about graph, it doesn't mean that I speak about the visualization. However, I speak about the graph data structure. Sometimes it's suitable that you save your data in a graph and process your data in a graph. Spark provides you with the GraphX library, which simplify processing data that is stored in graph data structure. As I told you, that Spark is a cluster computing engine, so you deploy your Spark in a cluster, so you need cluster manager to manage your resources. Spark provides you with a standalone cluster manager you can use to deploy your Spark in cluster. Moreover, Spark can work on top of the external cluster manager like Yarn and Mesos, which are not part of Spark. Spark has the ability to read the data from different data storage. Example, Spark can read or save data to HDFS, Amazon S3, Cassandra, HBase, or Hive. The last thing that I want to speak about is what is the language that Spark supports. So if you have an application and you build your application on top of Spark, which language you can use. Spark supports several languages like Scala, Python, Java, and R. So you can use any of these languages to write your application. Scala is the recommended language for Spark because mainly Spark written in Scala. So in production, most of the time we use Scala. So mainly what I want you to know is that Spark consists of several components and is designed to be general purpose. So it has support for Spark SQL, Spark Streaming, machine learning, and GraphX. Moreover, Spark can read from different data storage formats, and Spark supports several languages. So in another video, I will deep dive in each of these components. I'm hoping that you enjoy my video, and thank you for watching, and see you in another video.